Okay. First five po, Nagas team. Jersey number 23, Dawis. Jersey number 30, Arguna. Jersey number 10, Villanueva. Jersey number 6, Lupay. And jersey number 24, Chavez. First five, Nambayate. Jersey number 13, Tenorio. Jersey number 5, Chavez. Jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Jersey number 24, Olazo. And jersey number 14, Medina. Competition ready? Jump ball between Medina and Arguna. Oops, wala. Nakuha ang nagdito. Chavez. To Tenorio. Days up. No good. Rebound by Chavez shot. No good. Rebound by Arguna. Arguna. Pass to Dubai. Natapitan ni Gutierrez. Same ball. Dubai. Pass to the flash. Villanueva. Villanueva. Pass to Chavez. Chavez to Dawis. Dawis fakes. Dawis jump shot. No good. Rebound by Chavez there. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez setting the play for the Richards. Gutierrez guarded by Villanueva. Pass to Chavez. Back to Gutierrez. Gutierrez fakes. Pass to Chavez. Chavez for 3. Chavez. 3 points. Villanueva naman ang bumabawit para sa White Shirts. Villanueva guarded by Gutierrez. Villanueva pass to Dawis. Dawis to Lubay. Lubay fakes. Lubay pass to Chavez. Chavez shot. No good. Rebound by Tenorio. Nakakatalis si Tenorio. Tenorio. Head fakes. Pass to Medina. Medina to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Jump shot. 2 points by Gutierrez. Official score 5-0. Villanueva. Dribbling the ball. Villanueva for long inside 3. Too strong. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 24, Olazo. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. Kung makita. Lubay shot. By Lubay. Medina to Gutierrez. Gutierrez setting the play. Hello. Sound check. Yan. Medina. No good. Rebound by Dawis. Dawis dribbling the ball. Dawis to Chavez. Chavez fakes. Chavez shot. No good. Rebound by Dawis. Dawis fakes. Dawis shot. No good pa rin. Rebound by Medina. Medina to Gutierrez. To Chavez. Chavez lays out. 2 points. Lubay to Villanueva. To Dawis. Dawis na walang bola. Nakuha ni Medina. Medina dribbling the ball. Medina magdali sa mga gustuhan. Medina. Tinupin sa to Chavez. Chavez to Tenorio. Tenorio setting the play. Tenorio for 3. Tenorio. 3 points. Arguna to Villanueva. Villanueva. Pass to Dawis. Dawis to Chavez. Chavez lays up. 2 points. Ang bango ng kinakain ng aming videographer. Siya lang ang bumili. Hindi kami binigyan. Tenorio, guarded by Chavez. Tenorio. Pass to Chavez. 10 seconds to shoot. Chavez, pass to Medina. Too strong. Rebound by Seto. SG. Remaining time 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Official score 10-4. 6-point lead for the team Bayate. Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi din po.
So, angat lang konti nasa gilid. Tapos yung nasa gilid ng gilid.
Shout out Ate Maricel Soriano.
Shout out kay Miss Maricel Soriano. Shout out po sa inyo. Back to the ball game. Andrada. Uy, pinasa sa kawalan. Miscommunication.
yun, limot. Patay.
Yung bola natin, iisa na. Mr. Kakain na, bahala ka na. Downs pass to Villanueva. Villanueva drifting the ball across the midcourt area. Villanueva. Naagaw ni Olas ang Andrada to Gutierrez. Gutierrez, easy raise up, 2 points, 12-4. Villanueva, pass to Dawis. Dawis fakes. Dawis pass to Arguna. Wala. Save ball.
First quarter pa lang po.
First quarter pa lang po. Arguna to Dawis. Dawis to Villanueva. To Chavez. Chavez fakes. Chavez penetrates. Pass to Dawis. Dawis shot. Kabul. Rebound by Lubay. Lubay shot. Kabul. Rebound by Lubay. Easy 2 points. Gutierrez naman. Ang dumidiskarte. Gutierrez. Sumaksak sa kita. Pass to Chavez. Chavez for 3. Double. Rebound by Arguna. Arguna. Pass to Villanueva. Guarded by Gutierrez. Villanueva. Lumipad. 2 points by Villanueva. The flash. Andrada. Pass to Gutierrez. Guarded by Dawis. Gutierrez tumingin sa 3. Gutierrez. Pass to Chavez. Chavez to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Tenorio. Tenorio for 3. No good. Rebound by Chavez. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 30. 2 free throws. It's your first personal foul. Dalawang pagbubusto para kay Chavez. First throw, no good.
30 daw, 30.
Second throw, no good pa rin. Rebound by Olazo. Pass to Chavez. Chavez to Gutierrez. Gutierrez, one-handed shot. 2 points. Chavez to Villanueva. Villanueva setting the play. Back to Chavez. Chavez. Back to Chavez. Chavez lays up. 2 points. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Gutierrez. Pass to Tenorio. Tenorio. Ripping the ball. Tenorio. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 3. Double. Rebound by Lubay. Oh, there's a whistle. Pushing foul. Jersey number 0. Andrada. Substitution red. Olazo out. And Daya in. Villanueva naman. Across the midcourt area ulit. Villanueva. Pass to Dawis. Dawis for 3. Double. Rebound by Arguna. Arguna. Pop. Double. Rebound by Oops. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 0.
Dalawa na.
Second personal foul. Third foul. Substitution red. Sige, pasok. Tawagin niyo ang inyong papalitan. Vedina in. De La Vega in. Chavez out. Andrada out. 2 free throw for Mr. Chavez. First throw, no good. Second throw, ready jumpers. Second throw, take it hard. 1 out of 2 free throws for Mr. Chavez. Gutierrez naman, dumadali. Pass to Vilina, Vilina fakes. Vilina, lays up, 2 points. Vilina. Villanueva naman. Yung bumagat Villanueva. Pass to Arguna. Arguna. Pass to Dawis. Dawis. Pass to Villanueva for 3. Double. Rebound by Lubay. Bounce back by Mr. Lubay. Gutierrez ulit. Pass to Tenorio. Tenorio fakes. Tenorio shot for 3. Airball. Patay tayo, wala nang baterya.
Wala na. Yan lang dala ko. Kasasaksak lang yan ah.
Hello, sige. Wala.
Yung antena yun.
Chavez, penetrates, foul, basket, who's fouled there? Foul on jersey number 30. Substitution red, Villanueva in, Dawis out.
Jersey number 30.
First foul. Warning for penalty. Mauricio Taylor complete that revive play. Gutierrez setting the play. Medina for three. No good. Rebound by Dubai. Dubai pass to Villanueva. Nakakatali si Villanueva. Shoot na labas doon. Villanueva. Pass to Villanueva din. Magkapatid ka? Magkapatid pala. Gutierrez naman. Pass to Tenorio for three. No good. Rebound by Vilina. Vilina face. Vilina pumps. 2 points.
Box tayo, box!
Official score, 18 all. Magandang gabi kay Mr. Toots Umani Chavez. Pass to Villanueva for three. No good. Rebound by no one. De La Vega to Tenorio. Tenorio setting the way for the Blazers. Pass to Gutierrez. Back to Tenorio. Tenorio for three. No good. Rebound by De La Vega. De La Vega to Gutierrez. Gutierrez speaks. Gutierrez, one-handed shot. 2 points. Change favor po tayo. 20 to 18. Villanueva naman. Villanueva pass to Chavez. Chavez to Villanueva. Villanueva to Villanueva. Villanueva picks. Villanueva shot. 2 points. Oh, 20. Gutierrez, pass to Tenorio. Tenorio, pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez, dribbling the ball. Gutierrez, pass to Velina. Velina picks. Velina, one-handed shot. Too strong, rebound by Villanueva. Well, hindi pala. Arjuna pala. To Chavez. Chavez guarded by Gutierrez. Chavez, pass to Villanueva. Short, rebound by De La Vega. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. 2-on-2 play, Gutierrez, lays up, 2 points by Gutierrez. Villanueva naman, dumidiskarte, Villanueva, nagpapatali sa kanilang pagustuhan, Villanueva shot, 2 points, oh, 22. Mabilisan ang laban. Maganda ang laban ng small but terrible tandem. Tenorio for 3, Tenorio, 3 points. Villanueva naman. Villanueva, pass to Villanueva. Villanueva.
Sab.
Out of hand. Substitution rep. Restart in. Sinong papalitan? Chavez out. Okay. Olazo in. And Daya out. Side ball. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining time. Shot number 10. Gutierrez for 3. Gutierrez, 3 points. Villanueva naman. Villanueva for 3. No good. Rebound by Restar. Restar to Villanueva. Villanueva to Arjuna. Ay, lumay pala. Lumay shot. Foul. Who's foul na? Jersey, number 14. First personal foul. Penalty. First row, take your Lord. Second row, ready jump first. Second row, take your Lord. 2 out of 2 free throws by Mr. Lubay. 28 to 24. Tenorio, pass to Gutierrez for 3. There's no whistle. Who's foul red? Jersey, number 10, Villanueva. First personal foul, second team foul. Gutierrez, pass to Tenorio. Tenorio to Gutierrez ulit. Gutierrez fakes. Gutierrez shot. Too strong. Rebound by Villanueva. Villanueva. Dribbling the ball. Villanueva. Villanueva pa rin. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva. Penetrates. Basket counted. Second personal foul. Wow, mali.
It's a brawl.
Nakalig lang. Nilamig lang yung palaman.
Pagka-shoot ni Villanueva sa...
Okay, sige.
Ball throw for jersey number 10, Villanueva. Ready ka first. Ball throw, no good. Rebound by Villanueva pa rin. Villanueva picks. Villanueva 2. Rest 8 seconds to shoot. Villanueva shot. No good. Para kay Villanueva. Basket counted. 1 minute and 1 second remaining time. 28 all. Maganda talaga laban. Tenorio. Tenorio for long distance 3. Tenorio. 3 points. Warning on jersey number 24.
For second motion tayo.
For second motion. Sige, warning pa lang.
Isang pasok na.
Substitution rep, season in.
Jod.
Villanueva out. Oo. Jersey na sa akin.
Ayos ka lang dyan?
Jersey number 6, warning din pala si Lumay. Both teams, may warning na. Pass to Restar. Nakuha ni Lubay. Lubay. 10 seconds to shoot. Lubay. Mesa. Nagud. Rebound by Lubay ulit. Lubay fakes. Lubay shot. Nagud. Out of bounds. Third over. 28 seconds. Remaining time. 31 to 28. Tenorio setting the way for the Blue Shirts. Inububos ang oras. Tenorio, pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez picks. There's no whistle. Foul on jersey. Number
Tino.
0.
30.
Oh, 30 pala. Kabila. De La Vega fakes. De La Vega lays up. No good. Rebound by Arguna. 10 seconds. Remaining time. Gutierrez lays up. Foul. Basket counted. Foul on jersey number 2. Villanueva, first personal foul. 30 foul. Bonus throw. Ready jumpers. 7 seconds. Remaining time. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva dribbling the ball. Villanueva moving with 7. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. To Medina. Medina for 3. Too strong. And of the first quarter, official score 34 to 28. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta sa kanilang ito. Hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Kilala na po kayo. Start of the second quarter. Estimbol. Dawis inbounding the ball. Pass to Chavez. Chavez back to jump. Dawis. Pass to Villanueva. To Chavez. Chavez teardrop shot. No good. Rebound by Tenorio. Nagmamadali si Tenorio. 4 on 3 play. Tenorio for 3. No good. Rebound by Chavez. Chavez shot. 2 points by Chavez. Official score 36 to 28, 8-point lead for the team Bayate. Villanueva to Chavez. Chavez for three. Short. Rebound by Olazo. Naagaw ni Chavez. Chavez penetrates. 2 points by Chavez. Gutierrez. To Tenorio. Tenorio for three. Mainit talaga. Tenorio. 3 points. Villanueva. Pass to Dawis. Dawis. Pass to Restar. Restar lays up. No good. Rebound by De La Vega. To Tenorio. 3-on-1 play. Tenorio. Huminto sa tres. Tenorio. 3 points.
Wala ng 3 point eh.
Mainit talaga ang kamay ni Tenorio. Villanueva. Nawala. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 5. Substitution ref. Villanueva in. Jersey number 5. First personal foul. Chavez. Villanueva. Pass to Dawis. Dawis for 3. No good. Rebound by Chavez then. Chavez. Pass to Gutierrez. The mighty mouse. Gutierrez. Pass to Tenorio. Naiwan na naman sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Chavez. No good. Oops. There's a whistle. Loose ball foul on jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Villanueva. To Villanueva. Back to Villanueva. Villanueva to Chavez. Chavez spin. Chavez spin with shot. 2 points. Official score 32-42. Gutierrez to Tenorio. Back to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Olazo. To Chavez for 3. No good. Single. Last touch by Hernandez. Olazo. Pass to Chavez. Using the board. Too strong. Rebound by Hernandez to Dawis. Nagmamadali si Dawis. Dawis to Villanueva. 2 points. Ang substitution po natin ay reserve po. Tenorio to Chavez. Chavez to Olazo. Back to Tenorio. To Gutierrez. Gutierrez face. Gutierrez natangkan. Nakuha ni Dawis. Dawis. To Hernandez. Pass break to Villanueva. To Chavez. Chavez for 3. No good. Rebound by Dawis. Dawis to Westo. Dawis shot. 2 points by Dawis. Gutierrez. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Tenorio. Tenorio to De La Vega. Teardrop shot. 2 points by De La Vega. 44-26. Villanueva the flash. Pass to Villanueva. To Villanueva. Villanueva. Kinaliwa. Foul on jersey number 24. Olazo. Substitution ref. Olazo out. Andrada in. Olazo third personal foul. 13 fouls. Dalawang pagbubuslo para kay Mr. Villanueva. First throw, take it hard. Second throw, ready jumpers.
Ilan?
Second throw, take it hard. 2 out of 2.
Natira sa gitna. Ikaw lang mag-bilis-bilis.
Official score, 38-44. Chavez guarded by Villanueva. To Gutierrez, Gutierrez fakes. Pass to Belina, Belina shot. No good, rebound by Villanueva. Pass to Villanueva, guarded by Chavez. Villanueva showing his dribbling skills. Pass to Dawis. Dawis, tap and pump. 2 points by Dawis. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Team Bayate. Gutierrez to Tenorio. Tenorio for 3. No good. Rebound by Hernandez. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva to Chavez. Chavez lays up. 2 points by Chavez. Timeout. Bayatibol. Andrada. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez guarded by Villanueva. Belino for three. No good. Rebound by Andrada. 2 points. Pawin. Villanueva. Dribbling the ball. Villanueva. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva to Chavez. Chavez fakes. Chavez shot. Short. Rebound by Gutierrez. Nagkamadali sa kanilang pagustuhan. Gutierrez. Behind the back dribbling. Gutierrez for three. No good. Rebound by Villanueva.
My God. Tumbling eh. Dun,
Foul jersey number 14. Velina.
dun.
Second personal foul. 13 foul. Villanueva. Pass to Villanueva. Same ball. 15 seconds. Shot clock. Shot clock 15 seconds. Villanueva to Villanueva. Villanueva pass to Davis. Davis shot. 2 points. 44 to 46. Gutierrez. Pass to Andrada. It's a turnover.
Jot! Huwag masyado umangat.
Villanueva. Setting the play for the S team. Pass to Davis. Davis fakes. Davis shot. Short. Rebound by Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Pass to Tenorio. Tenorio Liza. 2 points. 48 to 44. Villanueva. Dribbling the ball. Villanueva. Pass to Chavez. Chavez. Liza. No good. Rebound by Davis. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by Chavez. Chavez to Villanueva. Villanueva. Umigo. Wala. Nakuha ni Gutierrez. Pass to Tenorio. Tenorio Liza. 2 points. Timeout. SB. 4 minutes and 22 seconds remaining time. Official score. 50 to 44. Ang ganda ng Ang ganda ng pagkakaupo ni Commissioner Gibbs. Ayos, hindi nagtatrabaho. Nagdulong lang, ayun o. Mamaya uutang ko yan. Uutang ko yan mamaya. Pag ganyan may kulang ang 20 mil na yan sa bulsa. Happy birthday sa akin pala. Lola Kikay, 98th birthday. Davis, jump shot. No good. Rebound by Hernandez. Hernandez shot too strong. Rebound by Oops, nagkakawang buko. Nag-dive. Nagkakawang buko ulit. Nakuha ni Opa. Pass to Gutierrez. 2 on to play. Gutierrez. There's a whistle. Foul. Basket counted. Foul on jersey. Number 10, Villanueva.
Nakatakot ako ng mga
Second personal foul. First team foul. Bonus throw for Mr. Gutierrez. Ready numbers. Thank you, Lord. Complete the 3-point play. Villanueva to Villanueva. To Chavez. Chavez. Bumipit sa ere. Wala. Rebound by Belina. Nagpamadali si Belina. Belina. 4 on to play. Belina. Pass to Gutierrez. To Oban. Oban. 2 points. Reserve substitution po tayo. Villanueva. 55 to 44. Villanueva for 3. Air ball. Substitution. Lubay in. Arguna in. Hernandez out. Villanueva out. Tenorio to Andrada. Andrada penetrates, lays up, no good. Rebound by Arguna. Arguna to Dawis. Dawis to Lubay. Lubay. Foul on jersey. Number 13. Tenorio. First no foul. Warning for penalty. Villanueva. Pass to Chavez. Hindi ko makita. Arguna. Reverse shot. 2 points by Arguna. Favorite shot. Favorite move. Gutierrez. Pass to Andrada. Andrada. By Mr. Substitution and Dayain. Obam out. Medina pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez guarded by Dawis. Gutierrez to Tenorio. Tenorio to Andrada. Andrada to Medina. Medina fakes. Medina shot. 2 points. Villanueva naman. Pass to Chavez. Back to Villanueva. Villanueva to Arguna. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey. Number 0. Andrada. Kasi na ito nakalinya eh. 22 daw.
Yun ang sign nito.
Walang substitution. First no foul. Sorry po, hindi po ako sign ni referee. 2 shots for Arguna. First throw. No good. Second throw, ready jumpers. Second throw, lucky bounce. 1 out of 2. Andrada to Gutierrez, 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. 57 to 47, 10-point lead for the team Bayate. Tenorio to Diniscarte, Tenorio fakes, Tenorio pass to Andrada for 3. Too strong. Ang
Bola.
daming trabaho.
Walang nakuha ng bola. Yun. Si Kume, tumayo na.
Villanueva, pass to Dawis, back to Villanueva. Villanueva, sidestepping shot, no good. Rebound by Andrada. Andrada to Gutierrez. Gutierrez lays up. 2 points by Gutierrez. Villanueva naman. Villanueva to Arguna. Arguna shot, 2 points by Arguna. Warning jersey number 0 for blocking. Arguna. Pass to Villanueva. Pass break to Chavez. Chavez ang lalim naman nun. 2 points. Mukhang may 40 mil ka sa bulsa kung nakaupo ka. Pauta ka man. Bahindi na kami. Tenorio. Pinagpilisan to Andrada for 3. No good. Follow up by Gutierrez. No good. Pass to Chavez. Guarded by Andrada. Villanueva to Arguna. Arguna. Pass to Dawis. Dawis fakes. Dawis shot. No good. Rebound by Arguna. No good. Lubay pala. Lubay shot. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 22. Hi now, Team Bayate. Remaining time, 1 minute and 21 seconds. Official score, 59 to 51. Two throws.
Hindi nag-ano ng referee. In-announce ko. Hindi ngayon. May one din kanina parehas sila bookings. Number 6 yata yun. Number 6 nito. At saka si Olaso.
Second throw, Babu. Rebound by Chavez to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Tenorio. Tenorio picks. Back to Gutierrez. Nawala. Ang nabira ni Arjuna to Dawis. Dawis all-out shot. 2 points. 59-54. Baba sa 5. Ang kalamangan. May katitira pa isang minuto at 2 segundo. Chavez at Tuminiscarte. Chavez for long distance 3. Babu. Rebound by De La Vega. Babu. Rebound by Arjuna to Villanueva. Villanueva penetrates 2 points. 59-56. Benito naman. Hoy, Pautoy, sa tabi kayo. Gutierrez. To Benito, Benito fix. Benito shot. Short. Out of bounds. It's a turnover. 33 seconds. Remaining time. 33 seconds. Villanueva naman ang dumidiskarte. To Chavez. Escape kagawad ng Barangay Labak to Villanueva. 14 seconds to shoot. Villanueva to Lubay. Lubay shot. 2 points by Lubay. 18 seconds. Shot clock off. 15 seconds. Gutierrez to De La Vega. De La Vega shot. Wow! Villanueva. 8 seconds. To Chavez. Takes up. Bagu. 3. And the second quarter.
Ito po ang personal foul para sa oponent's team. Jersey number 23, Davis, the first personal foul. Jersey number 30, Arguna, second personal foul. Jersey number 10, Villanueva, second personal foul. And jersey number 2, Villanueva, first personal foul. Ito naman po para sa oponent ng Bayate. Jersey number 13, Tenorio, first personal foul. Jersey number 5, Chavez, second personal foul. Jersey number 0, Andrada, second personal foul. Jersey number 30, De La Vega, second personal foul. Jersey number 24, Olazo, third personal foul. Jersey number 22, Endaya, second personal foul. And jersey number 14, Belina, second personal foul.
Come on.
Bayati ball. Depensa ang puti.
Janet, shout out mo.
From Nicolo Azares, pa-shoutout po kay Polo. Galing pa yan sa Lima ng babae. Ba, tunay kaya, lagot ka sa inay.
Hindi mo naman.
Parang 300 ang premyo na naka-3 point, nakapagbabae agad. Chavez to Gutierrez. To Tenorio for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Olazo. Wow, ang gandang pasa naman nun ni Olazo. To Chavez. Villanueva. Ang dumidiskarte. Pass to Lubay. Lubay. Lays up. 2 points. Gutierrez. The Mighty Mouse. Pass to the shooter. Tenorio. Uy, miscommunication. Yan, makikikonsumo muna doon ng kuryente. Chavez for 3. In and out. Rebound by. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha ni. There's a whistle.
Foul pa siya.
Foul on jersey number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. Chavez. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez fakes. There's a blocking foul on jersey number 2. Villanueva. 2. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Tenorio. Jump shot. Too strong. Rebound by Gutierrez. Lays out. Ang bilis talaga. Chavez. Chavez Dagos. Using the board. 2 points. Gutierrez. Pass to Chavez. Chavez. It's an offensive foul.
Yan naman.
Jersey number 5. Chavez. Third personal foul.
Bago matapos ang anong laro to eh. Baldado.
First team foul. Villanueva. Pass to Chavez. Chavez fakes. Chavez lays up. Too strong. Rebound by Chavez. Dribbling the ball. Chavez. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Stop. And pop for 3. Lagun. Rebound by Tenorio. Blocked by Lubay. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva. Pass to Chavez. Lays up. 2 points. Official score 65 to 64. Gutierrez to Chavez.
Demet, bigay mo muna kay
Belina no good. Rebound Arguna. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva nagmamadali naman. Pass to Chavez. Chavez. Hindi na mababa sa ere. 2 points. Change favor 66 to 65 in favor of Steve. There's number 3 Gutierrez setting the play. Pass to Chavez. Shot clock 15. Chavez pa rin. Sumubok sa 3. Biden. Sino makakakuha? Si Belina. Same ball. Substitution. Chavez out. Andrade in. Belina out. De La Vega in. Shot clock 12. 12 seconds to shoot. Wala so ay tinigin kay De La Vega. De La Vega. Naka-implet shot clock 10. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez sa 3. Tinulwa. Rebound ni Lubay. Pass to jersey number 10. Villanueva. Nagmamadali naman si Villanueva. No good, but there's a whistle and foul. Jersey number 0, Andrada. That is your third personal foul. Second, team foul. 2 shots para kay Villanueva.
Nice.
First throw is good. Last throw. for 2 para kay Villanueva. Sorry po, nagdodoble. Inaayos naman po. Tenorio, 3 points.
Haba naman ang...
Villanueva, pass to Chavez. Chavez, umata na naman. Wala po sa Malayala. Lumay na pumunta. Wala pa rin. Battle for the rebound. Lumay na nakakuha. Meron tayong foul. Foul jersey number 6, Lumay. That is your second personal foul. Third team foul.
Okay lang, Loy! Ba na?
Jersey number 0, Andrada, dribbling the ball. Ibinigay kay Tenorio. Shot clock 14. Tenorio pa rin. Shot clock 10 seconds. Pass to Andrada. Andrada fires for 3. No good. Rebound ni Arguna. Ibinigay kay jersey number 10, Villanueva. Villanueva, kinaliwa. Bitin ang tira. Save.
Kalma!
Shot clock 18. Pass to Arguna. Easy 2 points. 70 to 68. Lamang ulit ng dalawa. Ang kupunan ng Steam. Andrada on the ball. Ibinigay kay Tenorio. Tenorio back to Andrada. Shot clock 14. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez atras. No good. Rebound ni Villanueva. Ito na naman si Villanueva. Stop and box atras. Villanueva. No good. Talo na sino makakakuha. Si St. Paul. Shot clock 15.
Yun! Masabit tayo, masabit.
To shoot. Villanueva sumubok din sa tres. Wala rin. Rebound ni Tenorio. Pass to Andrada. 3-0 situation. Andrada. Pabanda tira. Pasok. Dead na call. 70. Time remaining 5 minutes and 40 para sa third quarter. Chavez. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva. Dribbling the ball. Shot clock at 14. Villanueva. Binigay sila rin. Check na check ni Tenorio. Pass break ng Montana. Sagot na naman. Sino makakakuha? Si Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Nag-crossover. Gutierrez. Stop and down. 2 points.
Dylan! Dylan!
Jersey number 30, Arguna. Reverse shot. Favorite shot. 2 points.
Patayin ko nun. Nagaling naman kayo.
5 minutes exactly. Jersey number 13, Tenorio. Back to Gutierrez. Pass to Andrada. Andrada fakes. Andrada shot. No good. Rebound naman ni Chavez. Chavez naman sa kabila. Nagpapadali. Nawala ang bola. Nakakuha ni Villanueva. Villanueva is 0. 2 points. 74 to 72. In favor of Steam. Jersey number 13. De La Vega nawala ang bola. Nakakuha ni Tenorio.
10 seconds to shoot. Gutierrez. Miscommunication. To Villanueva. Villanueva. Lumipad. Lays up. Good. Rebound by De La Vega. To Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Pass to Tenorio. Naiwan na naman sa press. No good. Rebound by Lubay. Lubay to Chavez. To Villanueva. Villanueva setting the play for the White Shirts. 74 to 72 ang score sa ating talaan. Chavez shot, no good. Rebound by Lubay. Lubay. Villanueva fakes.
Bakit tayo, Dylan?
Villanueva to Chavez. Chavez shot, no good. Rebound by Chavez. Shot na at 5 seconds. To go. There's a whistle. It's at 2. Substitution. Andrada out. Belina in. Substitution. Chavez in. Gutierrez out. Restart in. Villanueva out. Chavez, mamaya na.
Sige.
Pass to Olazo. Back to Chavez. To Tenorio for 3. Too strong. Rebound by De La Vega. De La Vega breaks. De La Vega, no good. Rebound by Villanueva. Villanueva to Restar. Restar, shot. Foul on jersey.
Apple.
Number 13. Second personal foul. 13 foul. 2 shots for Restar. First throw, Taylor.
Isa sa booking.
Second throw, handa
Awit.
ang manilibak. Second throw, Taylor. 2 out of 2. 76 to 72. 3 minuto at 26 na segundo. Chavez to Tenorio. Tenorio. Guarded by Restar. Tenorio to Velina. Velina. Pass to De La Vega. Back to Velina. Ang ganda ng pasahan. 2 points. Villanueva. Pass to Chavez. Chavez for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Lubay. Lubay. Shot. No good. Here's a loose ball foul on jersey number 34. Pushing foul. Substitution. Hernandez in. Arguna out.
Papayin mo na. Report, wala ka nang labasan.
Chavez ang dumidiskarte. Chavez. Nakawala. Lays out. Short. Rebound. By Chavez ulit. To Tenorio for 3. No good. Rebound by Chavez. To Hernandez. Hernandez. To Restar. At tulubay pala. To Villanueva. Villanueva to Restar.
Shoot!
For 3. Restar. Rebound. Velina. Pass to Chavez. Back to Velina. Velina fakes. Velina. Pass to Olazo. Olazo fakes. Olazo shot. Basket counted. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 15. Substitution rep. Dawes in. Chavez out. First personal foul. Penalty. 2 shot out. Moto shot for Mr. Olazo. Ready jumpers. Thank you, Lord. Complete that 3-point play. 79 to 77. Villanueva. Pass to Dawes. Dawes. Miscommunication pass. To Hernandez. De La Vega to Chavez. Chavez. Pass break to Tenorio. Tenorio to Olazo. Olazo. Foul on jersey number 6. Penalty. Third personal foul by jersey number 6, Lubay. 2 throws for Mr. Olazo.
Ano ko, alis ka muna? Okay. Ano siya?
First throw, no good. Second throw, ready to first. Second throw, take him on. 79 to 78, baba sa isa ang kalamangan. Villanueva. To restart to Villanueva to Dawes. Dawes for 3. No good. Wala. Nakuha din Velina. Velina nakapadali sa kanyang kagustuhan. Velina. Lays up. 2 points. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining time. Lamang na po ng isa ang bayate. Vespa. To Lubay to Villanueva for 3. Short. Rebound by Olazo. There's a whistle. Holding foul on jersey. Number 6. Substitution. Arguna in. Lubay out. Jersey number 6. Fourth personal foul. Penalty. First throw. Too strong by Olazo. Second throw, ready jumpers. Second throw, take the Lord. 81 to 79. Chavez. Bigyan mo pala. Pass to Hernandez to Dawis. Dawis. Reverse shot by Arguna. 2 points.
Nasabdo tayo ha.
Chavez. Sidestepping shot. 2 points. Villanueva to Dawis. Dawis. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva. Sidestepping shot. Lagud. Nawala. Rebound by Hernandez. Oops. Nawala. What's the call?
Nagkaupuan na.
Tinubuan ang bola. May foul po tayo. Pushing foul on jersey. Number 14. Substitution. And Dayain. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Hernandez. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva. Pass to the starter. And shot. It's a traveling violation. 45 seconds. Remaining time. Sino yun? Chavez ang dumay diskarte. Chavez. Teardrop shot. Wala. Rebound by Hernandez. Pass to Arguna to Villanueva. Villanueva to Dawis. Using the board. Too strong. Rebound sino nakakuha. To Arguna. Oops. It's an offensive foul on jersey number 30. Line. Third personal foul. Shot clock off. 24 seconds. Shot clock off. 24 seconds. Tenorio, the shooter. Setting away. Pass to Chavez. Chavez speaks. Chavez. Pass to De La Vega. No good. Rebound by De La Vega. 8 seconds. Melina. One on the shot. Using the board. No good. Rebound by Chavez. Pass to Entaya. No good. Nakakuhan. Nakuha. Ang daming talon. Ang daming talon na nun. 83 to 81 na mga team bayatay ng dalawa.
Charge ba? Puta, hindi naman pala nakailaw eh.
Okay na yan. Picture mo na lang mamaya. Yung ano. Yung best player. Madami na bigyan.
Dami naman.
Hindi lang yan. Buset naman yan. Yan.
Hindi yan.
Sunset yan.
Wala yan. Rep.
Hindi ko siya
Sunset yan. Nakaset.
Ganda ng mukha.
Nakaseparate na.
Lahat na shoot.
Sala. Nakisip ka dito. Sala. Delete mo na lang. Picture mo na lang mamaya.
Substitution, referee number 0 out, referee number 16 in. Start of the fourth and final quarter. Chavez to Villanueva. To Dawis, to Villanueva for 3. No good. Rebound by Tenorio. Wait lang daw, sabi sa kanyang mga kampe. Tenorio, pass to Gutierrez for 3. Gutierrez, 3 points for Tenorio. Dawis naman, anong pababa ng bola? Dawis to Villanueva. Villanueva to Chavez. Chavez for 3. No good. Rebound by De La Vega. Nakakawin Chavez. Chavez. Pass to Davis. 2 points by Davis. 86-83. 3-point lead. Tenorio. Dribbling the ball. Tenorio. Pass to Velina. Velina to Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 3. Gutierrez. 3 points. Back to back. 3 points from Gutierrez. 89-83. Villanueva to Davis. Davis to Chavez. To Hernandez. Hernandez shot. 2 points. Alguna pala.
Bakit ka magkakamukha yata sila?
Kaya ka pala lilito eh.
Magkakasinta kasi. Tenorio to Velina. Velina to De La Vega. Pinali pa. No good. Rebound by Chavez to Villanueva. Villanueva lays up. 2 points. 89-87. Tenorio. Dribbling the ball. Tenorio sidestepping 3. No good. Rebound by Velina. Velina, strong pass. Bola, pasuyo ko ng bola. Dawis. Dawis is stop and drop. No good. Rebound by Tenorio. Tenorio to Andrada. Andrada. Oops, it's after referee violation. Chavez. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva to Davis. Davis dribbling the ball. Davis. Pass to Villanueva. 8 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Davis. Davis takes. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 14. Velina. Jersey number 14. Warning for foul out. Fourth personal foul. Substitution. Olazo in. Velina out. 7 minutes and 36 seconds.
Marunang kayo. Wala akong basahan dito.
Two out of two. Reclosed by Dawis. 89 all. Lamang ng tig-isa. Gutierrez ang may hawak ng bola. Gutierrez setting the play for the Glaciers. Gutierrez guarded by Villanueva. Gutierrez to Andrada. Andrada to Olazo. Olazo naghanap ng mga pasahan. Olazo pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 3. No good. Rebound by Chavez. Chavez dribbling the ball. Chavez nakatapitan ni Andrada. Nakuha ni De La Vega. 3 on 2 play. De La Vega lumangka ng konti. 2 points. Villanueva to Dawis. Dawis naman nagdidiskarte. Dawis, jump shot. Wow, nilinis pa. 2 points. All 91. Andrada to Olazo. Olazo shot. 2 points by Olazo. Power move by Olazo. Villanueva. Dribbling the ball. Villanueva naman. Umatake. 2 points by Villanueva. All 93. It's a high-scoring game. Nagdahan-dahan na si Mr. Andrada. Pass to Tenorio. Tenorio face to Andrada. Andrada to Gutierrez. Gutierrez dribbling the ball. Guarded by Villanueva. 8 seconds to shoot. Tenorio. Pass to Andrada. 5 seconds. Andrada. Wow! Ang ganda naman doon. Lobot lang. Rebound by Arguna. Pass to Villanueva. Guarded by Gutierrez, Villanueva. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva shot, no good. Nako, Andrada to Gutierrez. Gutierrez, nagmamadali sa kanila kagustuhan to Tenorio. Tenorio fakes. Tenorio for 3. No good. Save ball. Inuuto pa kami ng referee. Doon nakatingin, pero iba. Sa substitution ref, nakita kayo po ng shirt. Walang challenge. Olazo to Chavez, all alone for 3. No good. Rebound by Villanueva to Davis. Chavez to Davis, 2 points. Tenorio. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to De La Vega. De La Vega face. There's a whistle. Foul. Basket counted. Who's fouled? Jersey number 2, Villanueva. Third personal foul. First team foul. Timeout. Team Bayate. Get ready na po ang ating third game. Back to the game. Tatlong timeout pa ang natitira sa S-Team. 2 sa Team Bayate.
Parang malamig pa nga mga player mo eh.
Bonus throw. No good. Arguna to Dawis. Dawis. Pass to Villanueva. To Chavez. Chavez. Lays up. 2 points. 97 to 95. Tenorio naman ang dumidiskarte. Daan-daan sa kanilang pagusluan. To Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Chavez. Chavez fix. Chavez to Villanueva. Blocked by Chavez. Same ball po tayo. Shot clock at 21 seconds. Villanueva. Pass to Chavez. Chavez for 3. Too strong. Rebound by De La Vega to Gutierrez. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 10. Blocking foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Side ball. Olazo to Chavez. May padala na naman yata sila pagkain. Gutierrez for 3. No good. Rebound by Villanueva to Villanueva. To Dawis. Dawis lays up. 2 points. Kala ko may dalang mainom. Wala pala. Order na.
Tawag ka, may...
Order na!
Order na. Tenorio, pass to De La Vega. De La Vega, pass to ang ganda ng pasa. Wala na. Rebound by Arguna to Villanueva. Villanueva, ginagamit ang oras. Hinihintay ang kanyang mga kape. Villanueva. Pass to Dawis for 3. Dawis, 3 points. 102 to 95. 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Gutierrez, pass to Chavez. Chavez fakes. Chavez, pass to De La Vega. De La Vega shot. Too strong. Rebound by... Hello. Dawis. To Villanueva. 2 points. Timeout. Team Bayate. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng Team Bayate. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 52. Official score, 104 to 95.
Dali, alis na lang tayo.
Baka hindi doon tayo, baka hindi matuloy ang
Ayaw na kinakabahan.
Hindi mamali. Sa kanilang gusto. Gutierrez. The mighty now setting the way for the Grecians. Gutierrez to Chavez. Back to Gutierrez. Gutierrez for three. No good. Rebound by Arguna. Pass to Chavez. Chavez dribbling the ball. Chavez. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva to Davis. Davis, uy, ang lamig ng Coca-Cola. Maraming salamat, Commissioner. Chavez to Vilina. Vilina, third up shot, 2 points. 3 minutes and 19. Villanueva to Chavez. 104 to 97. 7-point lead for the S team. Davis using the game clock. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva picks. Villanueva pumps. 2 points by Villanueva. Gutierrez. Pass to Chavez. Back to Gutierrez. De La Vega. To Velina for 3. In and out. Rebound by Villanueva. Villanueva. Naghihintay ng mga kape. Villanueva. Lisa. 2 points by Villanueva. Gutierrez. Pass to Chavez. Naagaw na naman ni Chavez. Wait now. Walang injury time out. Bibili kami bukas ng pang-spray. Pang-spray sa mga kinikisig, bulilay at tatak. Yan, 7 ang bubuhat niya. Lugi tayo ngayon. Automatic substitution po tayo. Substitution. Sige, pasok na po. Isang player. Ilan na sila? Kulang po isa dito sa S-team.
Yung palas dito si Chavez.
Okay, okay na po. Game ball. Chavez. To Villanueva. To Chavez. Chavez setting the play for the white shirts. Chavez using the game clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Chavez guarded by Andrada. 10 seconds to shoot. Chavez for long distance 3. Too strong. Rebound by Velina. Velina 3-on-1 play. Velina. Pass to Gutierrez to Velina. 2 points. 108 to 99. 2 minutes and 7. Villanueva dribbling the ball. Last 2 minutes. Villanueva. Pass to Davis. 10 seconds to shoot. Davis. 5 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Remaining time. Gutierrez to Andrada. Back to Gutierrez. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Remaining time. Mahaba pa yan to Gutierrez. Gutierrez penetrates 2 points. 108 to 100. Timeout. S-team. Remaining time 1 minute and 36 seconds. Official score 106 to 101. Check. Ang score tali 108 to 101. Tig-isa na lang po. Okay, sige. Tig-isa na lang po ang timeout ng both teams. 24. Tig-isang timeout na lang po.
Coach, isa na lang timeout mo na lang ha.
Oh, mo ba ng 2 minutes?
Okay, sige. Bakit ka galit?
Villanueva. Gamit ang pasad, pinasa kay Chavez. Chavez guarded by Velina. Chavez pa rin. Naitawid ang bola. Chavez to Davis. Dawis to Villanueva. 1 minute and 24 on 10 seconds to shoot. Villanueva for 3. No good. Rebound by De La Vega. Pass to Gutierrez. To Tenorio. Tenorio, stop and pop. No good. Rebound by Dubai. To Arguna. Pass to Chavez. 1 minute. Remaining time. Chavez. 10 seconds to shoot. Villanueva. Shot. No good. Rebound by Andrada. Nagkamatay sa kapitang Andrada. Lisa. 2 points. 44 seconds. Chavez to Villanueva. Villanueva to Arguna. 2 points. 39 seconds. Andrada shot. No good. Rebound by Lubay. Lubay to Chavez. 28 seconds. 24 seconds. Villanueva, Lisa. 20 seconds. 112 to 103. De La Vega to Andrada. To Tenorio for 3. No good. Rebound by Villanueva.
Yan.
Congratulations, ST for
Entering the
7 finals.
Ay,
One more ang next game.
yung best player. Siya na mag-picture.
Napakaganda ng inyong pinakita. Parehas, good teams.